I wanted to give a handmade wallet as a Christmas gift. I could not find a template that I was entirely happy with, so I took pieces from here and there and designed my template. It's a minimalist wallet with 2 card slots and a pocket in the middle for some cash. I printed the template and cut out the template pieces. I taped the template pieces to the leather with paper tape. It's translucent, so it's easier to cut out the parts. I wanted to stamp a logo on the leather. I used 3D printed stamps. The other side in my design is bicolor. I applied the red dye to it first. Next, I applied the black dye to all the parts. I made a custom brush from rolled cotton fabric for the red piece. I used it to paint black gradually over the red. I burnished the edges that would be impossible to do at the end. I used a hand burnisher and tokonal burnishing gum. I then glued the card side together using contact cement. I made the sewing holes to the open edge of the wallet. Then I sewed the open edges from the back and front piece. This sewing is just decorative. Then I glued the back and front pieces together, and the wallet was in one piece for the first time. I rounded the edges and sanded them clean. I already rounded the corners earlier, but could have done it here. I had to refine them here anyway. I dyed and burnished the rest of the edges here. I punched the rest of the holes. Then I saddle stitched the whole wallet. I don't have a stitching pony, but the bench wise work too. As a final touch, I protected the wallet with Risaline.